Hello students, today general maths trigonometry exercise 8.2. Before starting the exercise, I want to explain you to find the numerical value of certain standard angles, not all 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. At least you should know how to find the value of different trigonometric ratio of angle 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree at least. So let ABC be an equilateral triangle. Let ABC be an equilateral triangle. Angle AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to X. Suppose now see, we have drawn perpendicular AD. BC is drawn. Now you know for an equilateral triangle, the altitude is also the median. So if we have drawn perpendicular AD on BC, but it will be median on BC also because triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. So if it is median on BC, then it will divide the base. B will be the midpoints. So if AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to X, so obviously BD equal to CD will be X by 2. Okay. You should write here, since for an equilateral triangle, the altitude is also the median. Therefore, BD equal to CD equal to X by 2. Also, you know each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So, angle B equal to 60 degree. And since AD perpendicular BD, so angle ADB equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by the angle sum property of triangle, what we will get? Angle BAD equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now, in right triangle ABD, we have ABX, we have BDX, we don't have AD. So we can find AD by using Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we will get? AD square equal to AB square minus BD square. Understood? This is 90, this is hypotenuse. So actually AB square is AD square plus BD square. But since we need to find AD, that's why this. What is AB? X square. What is BD? X by 2 whole square. So what we will get? X square minus X square by 4. So how much we will get? 3X square by 4. This is AD square equal to. So we need to find AD will be root 3X by 2. So now we have AD equal to root 3X by 2. Okay. Now, in right triangle ABD, what is sine 30 degree equal to? The definition of the trigonometric ratio, this angle we need to consider. And what is sine theta formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So obviously it will be BD by AB. Sine is always opposite sides. P by H. The BD by AB. What is BD? X by 2 by AB is X. How much will get? 1 by 2. This is the numerical value of sine 30 degree half we have calculated geometrically. Sometimes this is the question, find geometrically the value of sine 30 degree or sine 45 degree, anyone. Similarly, cos 30 degree, cos theta formula is B by H, curly brown hair, B by H. B means adjacent sides. The angle what you have considered, the adjacent side, AD and the hypotenuse, AB. AD to we have calculated root 3x by 2 by x. So x's cancel, how much will get? Root 3 by 2. I have given you the table, trigonometric table. From there also you can check it. Sin 30 degree half, cos 30 degree, root 3 by 2. Then now you can calculate tan 30 degree. Tan theta formula is P by H, opposite sides by adjacent side. So BD by AD. So BD is x by 2, AD is root 3 x by 2. 2 cancel, how much will get? 1 by root 3. Similarly, you can find cot 30 degree, you know, cot is reciprocal of tan, so you can write directly root 3, and sec 30 degree is reciprocal of cos. So what you will get? 2 by root 3, and so on. Cosec 30 degree reciprocal of sine, so you will get 2. So these are the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree, numerical value of trigonometric ratios of 30 degree. Understood? You can calculate this geometrically also. Cot 30 degree equal to reciprocal means AD by BD. So we'll get this. Okay. Now, for 60 degree also same diagram only. If you want to calculate 60 degree, till here everything is same. Okay. Everything is same. So now, in right triangle ABD, now I will find sine 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Sine theta formula is what? P by H. The opposite side by hypotenuse. So AD by AB. AD is root 3x by 2 by x by 2. AD by AB, no, BD. No, AD by AB. AB. So x cancel, how much we will get? Root 3 by 2. Then cos 60 degree equal to opposite adjacent side. Adjacent side. See, for 60 degree BD by AB. So BD to x by 2 by x to 1 by 2. Then tan 60 degree equal to P by H. So AD by P by B, sorry, AD by BD. So root 3x by 2 by x by 2, how much you will get? Is it root 3? Then cot 60 degree you can do reciprocal. So BD by AD, 1 by root 3 will get obviously reciprocal of 10. Then sec 60 degree reciprocal of cos. So AB by BD you can write AB by BD, what will get? 2. And sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree equal to AB by AD. So 2 by root 3. These are the value of 60 degree. Okay. Now one more is there, 45 degree. So we have to change the diagram. Draw a right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle. If A, B, C is a right angle triangle, right angle at B, and isosceles means two sides should be equal. If this angle, this side equal to this side, then opposite angle will be equal. Okay. So this is 90 degree, so this must be 45, no only. So this will be 45 degree. Little bit change in the process also. And so since we are doing geometrically, so I will little bit geometry will be there. So we will write, let ABC be an, let ABC be a right isosceles triangle. Angle B equal to 90 degree. AB equal to AC equal to X. Let us assume AB equal to X. BC isosceles triangle, two sides should be equal, no? If AB equal to AC, then angle A equal to angle C equal to 45 degree. Angles opposite to equal sides. Okay. Now we have this side to find AC. In right triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, what we will get? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This is x square plus x square. So how much? Twice x square. This is AC square equal to. Therefore, what is AC equal to? Square root 2x. Now, either you can consider this 45 degree or this 45 degree. So just mention here in right triangle, both are 45 degree and we are calculating for 45 degree only. So you can take any one, either angle A or angle C. In right triangle ABC, with respect to angle C equal to 45 degree, I have considered this angle. So what angle you have considered? The opposite side will be perpendicular and the adjacent side will be the base. Hypotenuse you know only. So sine 45 degree is opposite sides by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse how much we have got? Root 2x. So x by root 2x, so we will get 1 by root 2. I explained the table and there is the value of sine 45 degree 1 by root 2 only. Cos 45 degree equal to cos theta is adjacent sides by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. So how much will get? X by root 2x, again 1 by root 2. Then tan 45 degree equal to opposite sides by adjacent side, P by B. So you can write AB by AC, which is x by x. So 1 cot 45 degree, cot will be reciprocal of tan, AC by AB, again 1 sec 45 degree reciprocal of cos. So AC by BC, how much we will get? Root 2 and then cosec. Cosec 45 degree equal to reciprocal of sine. So AC by AB, how much we will get? Again root 2 only. So these are the certain standard angles, trigonometric ratio of a standard angle we have calculated geometrically. And obviously we will have to remember these values to use in the exercise, okay. So now you can start the exercise 8.2. Very easy exercise, just we have to remember the numerical value table. I have given you the process, shortcut method, how to prepare the table. So number 1 now, 8.2 number 1, question is evaluate. Number 1 is sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. Sine 30 degree value you know, numerical value 1 by 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Oh sorry, this is mistake here. You see the table, trigonometric table, sine 30 degree root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degree half, sine 30 degree half and cos 60 degree root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. So 2 root 3 by 4, so root 3 by 2 I have got. Okay. Some mistake is there? Some mistake is there. Again, please see the table. Take out table. What is sine 60 degree? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree also root 3 by 2. And this is 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. So this is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. We will get 4 by 4 equal to 1. Okay, need to remember the table. Now number 2. 2 tan square 45 degree in plus cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. Put the value, tan 45 degree is 1, 2 into 1 square, sine is not, s will get square. Cos 30 degree, is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 square sin 60 degree is again root 3 by 2. So this is to cancel only, no? So we will get 2 into 1 equal to 2 because this and this 0 only. Understood? Now go to next number now. Number 3 now. Question number 3. Cos 45 degree by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Now value you need to put. Cos 45 degree value, what you know, 1 by root 2 by sec 30 degree reciprocal of cos. So 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 degree 2. Cosec 30 degree 2, just simplify. 1 by root 2 by root 3 in the LCM, what will get? 2 plus 2 root 3. This is 1 by root 2 into what will get? Root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3, right in the bracket. Okay. Now this is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Multiply 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Rationalize root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. This should make the denominator rational, that's why. So 2 is common from here, no? Root 3 into 2 common root 2 minus, you can take 2 root, what is common? Root 3 into 2 root 2 can take common, 2 root 2, 1 minus root 3 by what is here? A square minus b square, this square is 4 2 ja 8 minus this square is 4 6 ja, this is 6 and this is 4, 24. So this is 2 root 6 into 1 minus root 3 by how much will get? Minus, is it minus 16? So this is 8, cancel it, the denominator should not be negative, so you can write root 6 into root 3 minus 1 by 8. You will check the calculation. Okay, this is the answer. Now, number 4. Question number 1, number 4. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Just we have to put the numerical value. Sin 30 degree, check the question, sin 30 degree, tan 45 degree, cosec 60 degree, sec 30 degree, cos 60 degree, cot 45 degree. Okay, then the value, sin 30 degree value, you know, half, tan 45 degree 1 and cosec 60 degree is 2 by root 3. Okay, by sec 30 degree, sec is reciprocal of cos and cos 30 degree is 3 by, so 2 by root 3 again plus cos 60 degree half plus cot 45 degree 1. So LCM is what? 2 root 3 the LCM. How much will get here? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. root 3 cancel by, what is the LCM here? 2 root 3 again. How much will get? 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So this is cancel. What is left? 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3. 3 root 3 plus 4. So rationalize, multiplied by 3 root 3 minus 4, and here also 3 root 3 minus, plus is there, so multiply with minus. How much you will get? 3 root 3 minus 4 2 times, same thing. So 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square by a plus b, a minus b, 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. A minus b whole square formula is a square. This is how much? 9 3 is 27. 3 square is 9, root 3 square is 3, 27 minus plus 16 minus twice AB, 2 3 is 6, 4 is 24 root 3 by a, and this square will be again 27 minus 16. Understood? So this is how much? 43 minus 24 root 3 by, how much will get here? 11. Okay, this is the answer. This was number 4. Now number 5. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree by sin square 60 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So 5 into cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 sec 30 degree value is 2 by root 3, and square is given here. So write down 4 into 2 by root 3, value of sec 30 degree minus tan 45 degree to 1 only, and sin square 60 degree. Oh, this is not correct only. This is 30 degree. Sorry. This is 30 degree. Sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. See, you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So directly you can write this equal to 1, or you want then value 1 by 2 sin 30 degree 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 degree root 3 by 2 whole square. Directly you can write 1 also. Now simplification, 5 by 4 plus 2 square 4 4 is 16 by root 3 minus 1. This is the numerator, and this is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. And take the LCM. How much you will get? 4 root 3 LCM. So how much you will get? 5 root 3 plus root 3 cancel, 64 minus 4 root 3. By the 4 by 4 to will get 1 only. The 5 times root 3 minus 4 at root 3 plus 64 by 4 root 3. The denominator should be rational. So write down here root 3 plus 64 into root 3, multiply by root 3. 4 root 3 into root 3. How much will get? 3 plus 64 root 3 by 12. Sorry to not correct. Something is mistake where I have done. Oh, this is mistake. Sorry. Here root 3 square is 3. I have not written. Let us do the correction. Correction, sorry. This will be 1 5 by 4 plus 2 square is 4, 4 is 16 by 3 minus 1. Okay, it was easy only. 4 3 LCM is 12. So 15 plus 3 4 is 64 minus 12. Here you can write 1. So 5 plus how much? 364 minus 361 by 12. This is the answer actually. Hmm? 64 plus 3, 67, no. Okay. This was number 5. Okay, number 6 and 7. Can I leave for you? Practice the simple only. So number 6 and 7 you will practice. So now I am going to number 2. 2 number MCQ. Number 1. The value of 2 tan theta, 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So 2 into tan 30 degree, 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 31 by root 3 whole square you will get. Okay. So this is 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. This is 2 by root 3. What is the LCM? 3 plus 1. Then this is 2 by root 3 into what? How much you will get? 3 by 4. Reciprocal divide will convert to the multiply. So how much you will get? This root 3 into root 3 and 2. This is the answer. So this is, root 3 by 2 is the numerical value of what trigonometric ratio? Sin 60 degree. So which option is correct? A. Option A is correct. Number 2 is 1 minus tan square 45 degree by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. This is 1 minus tan square 45 degree, 1 only. So 1 plus 1 square. So how much will 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 equal to 0 by 2 equal to 0. So option number D is the correct. Okay. Number 3. Number 3, sin twice A is equal to 2 sin A is true for what value of A? So try only. Let A equal to 0 degree. Let A equal to 0 degree. What is left hand side? Sin twice A. Sin twice A. So sin 2 into 0 degree equal to sin 0 degree. 2 into 0, 0. And sin 0 degree, 0 only. What is RHS? 2 sin A. So how much will get? 2 sin, we have taken 0 degree. So 2 into 0 equal to 0. So we have LHS is equal to RHS for what value of A? 0. So which number option is correct? Again option A is correct. Okay, number 4 now. 2 number 4. Two tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3. So what we will get? 2 by root 3 by root 3 is the LCM. So root 3 minus 1. So 2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3 minus 1. This is cancel. So we will get 2 by root 3 minus 1. Try to rationalize it. 2 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So 2 into root 3 minus 1. How much we will get? 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 will get, because 2 cancel. Answer to Something mistake here? Let us check. Oh, this is a square is here. Sorry. This is a square is here. So this is mistake here. Let me correct it. Question was not correct. Correction is there. And this will be a square. So this is 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. This is 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1. This is 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. So 2 by root 3 into what we will get? 3 by 2. Okay, 2 cancel. So this is cancel root 3 into root 3. So the answer is root 3, and root 3 is what trigonometric ratio? Tan 60 degree. So option number C is the correct. Question number 3, important for the exam. 3 number 1, what is given? Tan A plus B is given root 3. So you can write tan A plus B equal to, what is root 3 equal to? Tan how much degree? 60 degree. So therefore you will get A plus B equal to 60 degree. Let it be equation 1. Okay. Then second condition is given. Tan A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. So implies tan A minus B equal to tan 30 degree. 1 by root 3. So that we will get A minus B equal to 30 degree. This is equation 2. Then we will add 1 and 2. Adding how much we get? B cancel. Twice A equal to 60 plus 30, 90. So what you will get? A equal to 45 degree. Now from equation 1, what is equation 1? A plus B equal to 60 degree. Put the value of A 45 plus B equal to 60 degree. So B what you will get? 15 degree. So A equal to 45 degree. By A you know angle A. So no need to give the angle symbol. Okay, 3 number 2 also you can do. These two sums are important. What is given number 2? Sin x plus y equal to 1. That will give you sin x plus y equal to, sin 90 degree. So therefore what you will get? X plus y equal to 90 degree, equation 1. Next condition is given. Cos x minus y equal to root 3 by 2. So implies what you will get? Cos x minus y equal to cos 30 degree. So from here you will get x minus y equal to 30 degree, equation 2. So add 1 and 2. Y cancel. Twice x equal to 120, 90 plus 30. So x equal to 60 degree. From 1 again, since x plus y equal to 90 degree, what is the value of x? 60 degree. So 60 degree plus y equal to 90 degree. So you will get y equal to what? 30 degree. Okay. Remaining so I will do in the next video. The video is going to be lengthy. So that's all for today. Bye. Thank you.